Hi guys, it's been a while. So pupunta tayo ng Gateway just to go for a dental appointment. Tapos uuwi na rin tayo. So again, this is the parking of Gateway. I won't make any captions kasi alam na natin ito. But that's the Gateway Mall. I really miss this. Grabe, so it's been 2 months since I've graduated. So almost 2 months na rin since nakagraduate ako ng high school. Okay. So ito na yung Gateway Mall. Ayan natin. Thank you Lord. Thank you Lord. Hanap tayo ng parking guys. Sarado na pala yung border. May border na rin ito. Yeah. Meron bang... So, hindi na rin tayo kakain kasi I'm still full. Tsaka, nagtitipid na rin tayo ng pera. So, we're saving money. So, ayoko muna mag-order. No paintbrush because the paint. So, yes. So we're going down to basement 2 dahil puno yung B1. Mama, pasensya na if I'm fine.
It's okay.
Yeah, no worries.
Ano ang parking?
Grabe, puno. Ano kaya nangyari?
It's puno.
So, it's full, no?
Parking's full.
Hi guys. Try mo B3 kung bukas. Ayan, ang dami. Thank you Lord, ang dami. Thank you Lord. Ayan, thanks be to God. So ayan, pause ko muna tong video na ito. No. Talaga grabe si Malcolm mag-asar but he now understands na yung condition ko. So we're now here at Gateway Mall to go to the dentist. Tapos after na okay, hindi na ako talaga magvi-video sa taas. Thank you Lord and see you in the next episode sa pag-exit naman natin at pag-uwi.